Hello guys, this is Ashish and again I'm here with another video, and this video is all about market structure. Okay, so I'll give you a brief idea about market structure. So when we talk about market structure and the movement of the market, so how market moves? Either market moves only three ways. Okay, there are three ways market moves. Either it's bullish, it means uptrend. You can say it uptrend as well. If we talk about the trend, like what is the trend? Market is bullish, bearish, or it is. So second is bearish, or you can say downtrend. It means market is selling. Then third one is consolidation. It You can say market is in consolidation, market is ranging, and so many can give it. Okay, so there are only one, two, three things what we can say. Number one is either market can be bullish, second is market can be bearish, or market can be consolidating. So let me give you an idea about this, how we look at it. Okay, so let's see. Market is going like this. So market is bullish, so market will create higher highs and higher lows. Okay, this is something market will do. Market will market will create higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we need to understand this is higher low. Then we need to understand here this is higher high. Then again market created a higher low, then market created a higher high, and so on. Okay, so this is a way market moves in bullish condition. So market is in uptrend, and market is going up with creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is all internal structure. So we are not looking at this. This is because internal structure, because our recent higher low was this. Till the time it is not going to be break, we are still in uptrend. Okay, so I'll tell you all these about internal structure, external structure, and all. But let's have a brief and basic idea about this is a way market moves to the upside. Okay, now we come to the second part, how market moves in a bearish condition. Okay, so let's see. Market starts moving. Markets When market is in bearish conditions, it means market is downtrending, market is falling, market is selling. You can name it in a different ways. Okay, so market will create lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high. Okay, so this is something. So this is something which market will do. Okay, so this is low high, then this is lower low, then again this is lower high, again lower low. So this is a way market moves in bearish conditions. Okay, market is in downtrend, and it is going down, and you see it is in downtrend and creating lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it's continuously going down. So this is a way market moves in a bearish condition. Okay, and when we say market is consolidating, so let me tell you. Okay, let's see. If we see a market, okay, let's see, this is some resistance zone over here, and then there is some let's see, support zone over here. And what market is doing inside this? Market is doing like this. Okay, so market is not going anywhere. Market is only inside the zone. These two, you can say them supply demand. support, resistance. Market is only moving inside this. So this is a consolidation zone. So it means market is ranging and it's not moving. So this is the thing. So this is a way we can say like market is in uptrend, downtrend, or market is consolidating. So now let's go to the chart and I'll show you how we can uh, see market, how market moves in all. Okay. So let's go to GBP USD. Uh, let's go to this on okay. So we are on daily time frame. So I'm telling you guys on higher perspective. Okay. So if you see, let's start from here. Okay. And that's a very simple way I'll tell you to look proper market structure. If you create, if candle creates problems, you can switch to the line chart, and that will be very easy for you. When you switch to the line chart, you will see clearly market is in downtrend. Okay, this is what you see clearly here. Okay, and now you will see, okay, market created, okay, this is higher high. Okay, and then market is trying to reverse. Okay, and if you see market, when market reversed, when will we say that okay, market has reversed now? Because there was a swing low over here. If you see, this was a swing low. Okay, when the swing low was broken here with a body, okay, if you see, market was doing like this, and then this was the low, and then this was the high, and it was broken, and then swing low was broken and trend was changed, and market now moving to the downside. Okay, if you see, if you see here, market broke this. You see, this is recent swing low. Okay, market broke this. What did market do here? Market broke this, support becomes resistance, and market starts selling. Again, if you see, market broke this, again market starts selling. So the same way market is doing this. Okay, and then all the way down market came here and market break the structure here, and then market starts going up. If you see, market broke the swing low high here, and then market starts going up, and now market is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now when we will say market is consolidating. Okay, so let's see this something here. If we see, okay, it is something like market is in consolidation for this point of time till the time this support was broken over here. And once this support was broken, and then market again went back. Okay, and this was a fake out, and then market went up. Okay, so this is all a way market is moving. This was just an example I was giving you here, that market is consolidating over here. Okay, there was nothing about entry or anything. It was just about consolidation, a basic consolidation idea. Because this is a way. Okay, and there are so many things in market structure, which we say like a break of structure, a market structure shift. Okay, and some people say it chalk. Okay, some people, and all these things. So chalk means like you can say change of character. Then BOS means break of structure. Then MMS is market structure shift. Okay, so all these things are here. Okay, it means when we say a BOS happens, BOS and market structure shift, we mostly use for when market is going in the same direction. Okay, let's see, market is creating higher high, higher low, and when the recent higher high is broken and market creates a new higher high and then come back here and go up, so then we call it as a break of structure. Okay, we call it break of structure, or we call it market structure shift. Okay, to the upside. Okay, market structure shift to the upside. So then we can buy from this resistance break and become support. There can be a fair value gap, there can be a order block, there can be a breaker block. So multiple things are here. I'll tell you later. We are just talking about over here about the market structure, nothing else. Okay. So here, let's see, this was all. Okay. And what is swing low? Swing low is very important thing. Let me tell you guys. Okay, that is a very, very important thing. Swing low or swing high. Okay, when we know market is going to the same direction or market is changing the direction, this is only the way we can know that is when a swing high or swing low is broken. Okay, let's see. uh, let me tell you. Okay, let's see, this is the swing high. Okay, let me tell you, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. Okay, so why this is important? Because if market will break this swing high with a body, so you will see, okay, this is, you will see as a break of structure. And if market breaks this recent swing low, then you will say, okay, now change of character happened. Market wants to change the direction. So this is very, very important. So break of structure and change of character happens when some swing high or swing low is broken. Now, how a swing high and swing low forms, let me tell you. Swing high must forms with three candle, okay? Three candle, this thing, okay? Three candles, one, two, three. The middle candle should be the highest one. That's the most important thing. Okay, the rest of the two candles can be up or down, but the middle candle, which is the middle candle, that should be the highest candle, and that makes it a swing high. Okay, that is a swing high. When we talk about swing low, guys, let me tell you here, this is one candle, then another second candle, and then there is a third candle. Okay, so what should happen here? The middle candle, which is second candle, okay, it should be the lowest candle followed by the two candle on the left and the right. Okay, so that is going to be our swing low, and this is a way swing low created. And once, this is a very important point as a swing low. Okay, so this is swing low, this is swing high. So let me show you guys swing high, swing low in the market. Let's see, we are on GBP USD chart, we are on daily. So if you see what I told you here, second candle, middle candle should be the lowest candle, followed by the 1 and 3 candle, and this is a swing low. It's broken here. So when swing low is broken, market was going up and its swing low broken, it means this is change of character. Market starts going down to the downside. Okay. Then if you see again, market broke the swing low over here again, and market continues selling to the downside because this is a break of structure. Now this was the change of character, and now market starts selling to the downside, and now it did again a break of structure. So now market is going to the downside. Okay, and market tapped into this fair value gap. I'll tell you later what is fair value gap and all. So this is a way, and again market started going down, and now you see this is again a swing high. If you see, this was the swing high, middle candle followed by the first and third candle. Okay, second candle followed by the first and third candle. Second candle is the highest candle over here, and then it's broken. And when it's broken, market structure shift. It means chalk, change of character, and then market going up. Market starts going up. Okay, and then again, this is swing high, broken, and then market starts going continuous up, because this is change of character over here at the downside, and this is break of structure over here for the continuation. Always remember, change of character is for reversal of the direction and market structure shift. Okay, and to the market structure shift to the, let's see, it in market is going down, and then change of character happens between market structure shift to the upside. From coming bearish, market now became bullish. Okay, and now here what happens, market is bullish, and then it a swing high is broken. It means this is the break of structure. Okay, market structure shift in the same direction, that is a break of structure, and then we are still bullish, and then price tapped into this FVG here, and then it goes again up, and then when we see, it creates another break of structure here, and then again this order block, and price is reacting from that and going, and now we will wait. This is our swing high. If it will be broken to the upside, we will go buy more. So this is a way. Okay, this is a way market structure works. Okay, always remember, change of character is for reversal. Bearish to bullish, bullish to bearish, that is change of character. It means market structure shift to the opposite direction. Let market was bearish, and then change of character happens. A market was bearish, then swing high was broken, and then market become bullish. Okay, and this is the same way. So I think I have told you about the market structure, and there is nothing more about market structure, but this is very, very, you need to understand the market very market structure properly, because swing high and swing low is all which you need to understand. And then the second thing comes to go ahead and align the time frames, because when we go ahead, let's see here, let's see, we see over here that okay, this is a market structure shift on daily. Okay, and this was a daily order block over here. Okay, with a fair value gap. Okay, so this swing low was broken, and then change of character happens, and then order block and entry. So it is one candle, it is three candle for swing low, okay, on daily. But when you go to 1 hour, you have to, you will have to see 72 candles in those three daily candles. So you have to align the time frames properly, daily, 1 hour, 4 hour, and then you can get entry. We will talk entry about later, but it was just a basic idea about how market moves in bullish conditions, in bearish condition, and if market is consolidating, what do we see? We never try to trade in consolidation. We always try to trade either in bullish or bearish conditions. Okay, and market structure shift and change of character is very important. Swing low, you need to must master swing low and swing highs. That's where we can understand, because some people don't understand what is swing high, swing low. Any any uh any candle, just they, every time they think okay, this is going to, market is going to reverse or something is going to happen. No, you need to check swing low and swing high properly. Always remember, second candle should be the lowest or the highest, followed by first and third, that is a swing high and swing low. Once it is broken, then either market is going to continue in the same direction, or market is going to change the direction. So this was all about market structure shift, guys, and market structure. So I hope this will help you guys related trading and all. So it was all about market structure from my side. I'll see you with the more content and the videos on the channel. So thank you very much for this video, and have a great day ahead, everyone. Thank you.